BMW K 1600 GT Best Adventure Motorcycle 160 horsepower at 7,750 RPM. While there isn't much new about the 2021 BMW K 1600 GT, there are a few changes to the big German sport touring motorcycle that are of interest, both standard and optional equipment. Here's what our European sources tell us is going to be different on the 21 GT. 1. Reverse is no longer an option on the BMW K 1600 GT, it's standard. In 2021, every version of the GT gets reverse. 2. The two option 719 colorways are replaced with a new color. Welcome option 719 Mineral White Metallic, and say goodbye to option 719 Stardust Metallic and option 719 Blue Planet Metallic/Ivory. Black Storm Metallic and Black Storm Metallic/Glacier Silver Metallic are returning. 3. Black is the color for the 2021. Whichever color you chose for the GT, the engine and frame will be black for 21. 4. The lighting is upgraded for the standard GT. Both the adaptive turning lights and DLRs are included on every GT. 5. The tire pressure monitoring system is now a standard feature on all versions of the 2021 BMW K 1600 GT. 6. Engine protection bars are now available as an option. 7. The Tour package gets auxiliary LED headlights. 8. There won't be a safety package in 2021. 9. We don't have prices or availability dates yet. BMW K 1600 GT specifications. Engine type inline 6. Displacement 1,649 cubic centimeters. Borax stroke 72 by 67.5 millimeters. Maximum power 160 horsepower at 7,750 RPM. Maximum torque 129 ft-lbs at 5,250 RPM. Maximum speed 125 plus mph. Compression ratio 12.2:1. Valvetrain DOHC 4 VPC. Gearbox constant mesh 6-speed with helical-cut gears. Clutch hydraulically actuated multi-disc. Final drive shaft. Chassis. Frame aluminum bridge type with load-bearing engine. Front suspension travel BMW Motorrad Duolever with central spring strut 4.5 inches. Rear suspension travel BMW Motorrad Paralever 5.3 inches. Wheels cast aluminum. Front wheel 17 by 3.50. Rear wheel 17 by 6.00. Front tire 120/70x17. Rear tire 190/55x17. Front brakes 320mm floating discs W/4 piston fixed calipers. Rear brake 320mm disc with dual piston floating caliper. ABS cornering aware ABS standard. Dimensions and capacities. Wheelbase 63.7 inches. Rake 27.8 degrees. Trail 4.2 inches. Seat height 31.9 or 32.7 inches, various optional seats. Curb weight 736 pounds. Fuel capacity 7.0 gallons. Estimate fuel consumption 41 miles per gallon. Colors: Black Storm Metallic, Black Storm Metallic/Glacier Silver Metallic. Option 719 Mineral White Metallic 2021 BMW K 1600 GT price, $MSRP TBA.